Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to solve the practice problem C++ Hello World. So first, let us understand the question. Like mentioned in the name, C++ Hello World. You need to print Hello World using C++. So what do you need to do? You just need to write cout brackets Hello World. Okay, done. This is the question. I hope the concept and the question is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Okay. Then you need to find the problem C++ Hello World. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. So let's solve this question. Here is the question. Let's read it. Let's begin your journey towards coding with the very first question of coding world. Your task is to write code which prints hello world. I hope the question is clear to you and we need to code here. Okay. So let's code it. What you just need to write is enter cout brackets double quotes hello world. Okay. W should be capital. Then 1 minute spelling mistake. Okay. Semicolon. Now I need to check if my output is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem C++ Hello World. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.